Okay, it works better when Hutch turns his microphone on, and I think this cold weather has gotten to my brain. There, this is a little better. 11 below zero out there, 7-mile-per-hour wind, and it feels like 26 below outside. It's frigid as we look around the region. 9 below in Gwinner this hour. Look at Langdon, 26 below your temperature, 17 below in both Thief River Falls and down in the Foston area right now. It's cold out there, and a check around the region. It is 11 below, as we mentioned, outside in Fargo, 34 below in Hutch's refrigerator. So that's a nice 45-degree warm up in there. Anchorage, Alaska, much warmer than us. However, Barrow, Alaska, way up in the northern reaches of Alaska, is colder. Those winds are between 5 and 15 miles per hour, so the wind chill's still dangerous out there. Where you see the black colors, that's where things are the nastiest, and exposed skin can freeze in mere minutes. 48 below is what it feels like on exposed skin right now in the Langdon area. Wind chill warning has stretched its way into the Southern Valley. It includes Fargo-Moorhead now, at Breckenridge, Wahpeton, and down into Sisseton, South Dakota as well. Skies, well, are clearing, but we have had flakes falling here in the Southern Valley. Those are starting to wane as we head into the late night hours. And a look around the nation showing unsettled weather making a landfall in the Central Pacific. Now, as we look down south, that cold air has dove all the way into Texas. The pink here showing that we have those freezing temperatures far south into Texas, causing freezing rain and the icy mixture down there. Very difficult for drivers in that area. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we head through the overnight hours. Actual air temperatures here in Fargo, our coldest morning thus far this season, 21 below. We're going to challenge that overnight tonight. Temperatures up north and into the Beltrami County area once again will be 30 to isolated spots getting as cold as 40 below zero. Once again, wind chills 40 to 60 below as we start our day. Brutal temperatures continue through the early part of the day. We'll see peaks of sun out there, and the wind will generally be from that westerly direction at 5 to 15 miles per hour. So not a ridiculous amount of wind, but I'll tell you what, enough to cause wind chilly conditions all day. Temperatures peaking below zero once again, and tomorrow in the afternoon hours will mark 7 straight days of sub-zero air for many of our counties. Fargo, 20 below is where we'll start out tomorrow morning. Temperatures rising into those single digits below zero. We did hit 0 degrees for a high temperature the other day, but it was a -0. If you saw that on your app, what that means is it was a negative number that was rounded up to 0. So 7 days of sub-zero air even here in the FM area. Temperatures up north tomorrow afternoon on your way home from work will be in the teens below zero. Here's our 0 degree line. As we go into the late week, it continues its dive south. 20 to 30 below air temperatures meandering around our northern counties. But as we go through the weekend and into early next week, we start to see this cold air mass modify as the 0 degree air dives all the way into Texas. So where it's freezing there now, they're on their way down to 0 degree weather. We will quickly start to see some changes, though, as we glide through midweek as the purple returns and that 0 degree line jumps way up into Canada. Beautiful smoke on the water, if you will. Once again, Nick capturing this Wahpeton scene on the Red River. So we take a look at your weekend. Low temperatures in Fargo near 20 degrees throughout, below zero. We'll have high temperatures near 10 below both days, and that includes on your Valentine's Day for Sunday. Now Monday, President's Day, we'll see temperatures begin warming after a very frigid morning. And Mike, it looks like air temperatures will be on their way up to very close to 20 for many of us as we go into our Thursday of next week. So that is, well, from 30 below to 20 above, a pretty nice swing of about 50 degrees or so.
Sounding better.
Yes.
Tonight they were raising money at Herds and Horns.